So here we are at the Woodworkers pub in Belfast, Bradbury place. The date is the 10th of June 2026, Wednesday, at about 3:30. You can see a great little menu there. Now here's the main door. For some reason it says please use other door. Well, that's not special to today because it always says that, which is strange since this is the main door. But anyway, what is strange is that it's actually locked at 3:30 in the afternoon. So, and here are the opening hours. Well, yeah, so it's locked, even though it's meant to be open until 4. So we have to ask ourselves why. What is different about today that is different from any other day? Because all the other businesses are closed as well. Now, is this a bank holiday? No, it's a Thursday. No, sorry, Wednesday. Well, bank holidays are usually Mondays anyway. It's not the 12th of July either. So, why would it all be closed midweek? Well, sadly, yeah, it's because of a recent outbreak of violence here in Belfast, so not great. But anyway, so this is the economic devastation that occurs when there's violence, and that's just the way it is around here. So, here we go.